Everyone, this is a video on gutter guard. So a lot of people spend a lot of money on gutter guard, installing it on their properties. It makes it extremely hard to clean, and as you can see the results here, depending on your property, you can see there's a fair few trees around this property. So if you have a lot of trees around your property, I would really suggest you think twice about installing it. Let me show you. I'm unscrewing this for the customer, and we're going to completely get rid of it. Let me show you what's underneath the gutter guard. Look at that. It's absolutely chocker, full of grass, soil, and this is what happens. Basically, gutters hold moisture, and then silt builds up over time. They have access to sunlight, and as you can imagine, over time things grow. It's just the nature of things. So yeah, there you go. There's a real life example of how gutter guard doesn't work. I have seen a few properties where it has worked really well, but they have no trees around them at all.